this is my new H2 toy bike. It has open box delivered from Flipkart, but I haven't seen it. Oh yeah. It's not opening. Let me take my knife. Here is some tape. Okay, complete. Cut it. Cut it. So on the stand has came in a bag. Okay. And the bike itself. Guys, this is plastic. And I thought it would make sound. Guys, I had another bike that it only had suspension on the back wheel and not on the front wheel. You see, and in the back wheel and in the front. But this is my first one that has both. Oh, guys.
The same.
Lash band. Okay, guys, this is all. Bye, guys. Bye.